Hi guys! Today I would like to show you guys a new recipe, Char chicken. It is very easy, delicious, and best served with rice. Let's start making. We're gonna need 2.5 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Chinese fried spices, 2 tablespoons minced garlic and ginger. Mix well until everything combined. You can add some red food coloring if you want to have nice red color like those sold at store. But to me, because I don't want to use food coloring, so I just keep it. Add in 500 grams boneless chicken legs. You can use any part of chicken, but to me I prefer the chicken legs because it is juicy and tender. Leave it in the fridge in 2 hours or overnight. Prepare the baking tray. We can cover it by aluminum foil. You can also use air fryer to grill the chicken. Bake or air fry the chicken at 190 to 200 Celsius in 15 to 20 minutes. Bring to boil the leftover sauce so that it can be served with the chicken later. After 20 minutes, the chicken already cooked. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. You should let the chicken cool down in 10 minutes. It's really hot now, so I got very hard time to cut the chicken. The Char chicken is normally served with rice, but I think it's also good to be served with baguette. Add some sauce on. If you find that the sauce is too thick, you can add some water while boiling the sauce. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you guys like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe my channel for more recipe videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.